We know that antioxidants help to keep us healthy and youthful. And we often think about exotic fruits like goji berries or acai berries as the best source of antioxidants. But actually, ionized water contains anywhere from 2 to 5 times as many antioxidants. So I've been drinking alkaline ionized water for about 2 years now using an Air Water Life 7.0. So when they contacted me to review the 9.0 Ionizer Deluxe, I was really excited to check out this new machine and talk to you guys again about ionized water, addressing some of the common questions and skepticisms about water ionizers. Take a moment and give them a call. They are really, really nice, incredibly helpful, and really happy to answer any questions that you might have. If you mention this video when you call them up, they will go ahead and throw in a free filter cleaning set for you. Why would I invest in a water ionizer machine for my home? So it removes chlorine, benzene, pesticides, and hundreds of other pollutants that are pretty commonly found in a municipal water supply. So I think that using a water filter in your home is a really, really good idea to make sure that you're getting the cleanest, purest water possible. This machine also lets you select between 4 different alkaline settings, 2 different acidic settings, and a purified water setting with a neutral pH. It also micro-clusters the water, so it makes the molecules smaller, more easy to absorb, and that literally means that you'll be hydrated more quickly when you drink ionized water. Does alkaline water really make your body more alkaline? The idea that drinking alkaline water makes your body more alkaline is a little bit of an overgeneralization. Your body has hundreds of different mechanisms that regulate the pH of your blood, the intracellular environment, your stomach. All the different parts of the body are going to have a different ideal pH. So it's really the antioxidant benefits and improved hydration that we get from ionized water that's really giving us those health benefits. Why aren't there more clinical trials about the antioxidant benefits of alkaline water? Although water ionizers are still relatively new here in the States, this technology has been used in Japan for decades, and there are actually hundreds of different clinical studies where they've been able to show the antioxidant capacity of alkaline ionized water. And I'll actually include a link to those studies down in the video description if you want to check out some of that research. What's the difference between ORAC value and ORP in relation to antioxidant capacity? The ORAC system and ORP measurement are both used to show the antioxidant capacity of a substance. So basically, it's telling us how much potential is there for this substance to neutralize free radicals and prevent them from damaging our cells, our tissues, and our DNA. So the ORAC value is based on the polyphenol content of the food. So this is often seen as a very high number in fruits and berries with a really intense amount of color. Whereas the ORP value is actually determined with an ORP meter. So it's literally measuring the potential for a substance to reduce or oxidize free radicals. So while an ORAC rating is helpful, the negative or positive ORP, or oxidation reduction potential of a substance, is really a much better indicator of antioxidant capacity. What's the difference between ionized water, alkaline water, and hydrogen water? Ionized water is created by running it through the process of electrolysis in an ionizer machine. And in this process, they're actually separating out the hydroxide and positive hydrogen ions to literally change the pH of the water. Not all alkaline water is ionized water. Some water that occurs naturally in things like mineral wells may have a naturally alkaline pH due to the mineral content. Hydrogen water can be created by adding molecular hydrogen to water, but it doesn't necessarily change the pH of the water itself. Because of the immense antioxidant benefits of molecular hydrogen, some products will actually add molecular hydrogen to the water, but they don't necessarily change the pH of the water itself. So this machine lets you choose 4 different levels of alkalinity, and they recommend that when you first start drinking alkaline water, you just stay with the initial level. And then you can always work your way up to the daily drinking level. The higher levels of alkaline water are great for things like rinsing your vegetables, brewing coffee, and cooking. And they actually even help to bring out the flavor of the foods that you cook. There's also the purified water setting if you want to have a more neutral pH. And then there are the 2 acidic water settings. The first acidic level water has cosmetic purposes, meaning that you can use it on your skin. So our skin is slightly acidic in order to protect us from bacteria. So I've been using it as a toner. I'll use it to rinse off my hands periodically. And you can even use it on things like sunburns or bug bites to reduce the inflammation. The even more acidic water will have even more antibacterial benefits. So you can use it for things like household cleaning. It's really effective for breaking up cooked on oils and grease and getting your dishes clean. And actually I have found that I use those acidic water settings pretty often in my 7.0 machine that I've been using for the last couple years. Another feature I love about this machine, it has 2 different self-cleaning actions. So every single time you use the machine, it will do a quick clean after you turn the water off. And it will use reverse polarity to basically just knock any particles off of the plates and help to keep them clean. Then every 40 liters, the machine will signify you with a little wash button. And basically the next time you turn the machine on, it'll automatically go into this little self-cleaning action. It plays a little song and it's really cool. So every 40 liters, it automatically cleans itself. It even alerts you when it's time to change out the water filter. The Aqua Ionizer Deluxe 9.0 has a lot more power than previous models and creates 30% more antioxidants than the 7.0 model. It also comes with a lifetime warranty, and all of the different little technical specifications on this device meet really high standards. So now I want to show you the installation and unboxing of this awesome device. I installed it on top of the counter because I just think it looks super sleek and really nice. But there is an under the sink installation available as well. I just kind of wanted to show you this. And then it uses an LED light to help you indicate your way through the different pH settings. So I just wanted to show you the unboxing and setup for this awesome water filter. There is an under the countertop option, but I'm gonna go ahead and set this up on top of the counter. So here are our items. Just immediate first impressions. This is super sleek, really beautiful little water filter. Definitely can see how they've improved just the external design since my 7.0 water filter that I previously had. And then it also includes the inner filter, the mineral filter. Here's the little piece that will screw in on the top. You can see how the little attachments work on the bottom. So I've got my plug, of course, and then the 2 different little hoses that will get attached to the faucet so that you can run your tap water in and your filtered water out. I've also got the little instruction manual, super helpful, and there's this really lovely printed out instructions of how to install the system, making this a really nice, easy process. So just taking a closer look, here is our little faucet attachment piece, and then the little trigger that will be used to turn the ionizer on or off. And then there's a couple different little attachments, and it even says on the instructions, the type of faucet you have will determine which diverter valve fits for you. There are 3 general common connectors, but if these options do not work out, call us. We have free installation solutions. So if for some reason the pieces they've included don't work for you, they are very, very helpful in making sure that they can help you get your ionizer set up. And then there's the inner filter, and there's even an optional mineral filter. So if you use well water or a reverse osmosis system that removes lots of minerals from the water, you can actually use the optional mineral filter to add some minerals back in. So because we're just using regular city water, I probably won't be using this. It also includes a little pH test, so you can actually test out your water filter once you get it set up. And they kind of note that if you don't get the correct results you should be getting, then you might want to try adding the mineral filter to help get that pH balance just perfect. Okay, so to put our filter in, we just remove this little piece here and unscrew the filter cap. Cool, so I already rinsed my filter off. You're supposed to give it a little rinse before you put it in there to remove any carbon particles. And then that just drops right in there. Put the cap back on, and voila. I'm gonna go ahead and screw this piece in. Fully changeable, move it however you need it. So our next step is to attach the inlet and outlet hoses to the little faucet diverter. So they've given us pretty long hoses, and then you can actually cut them as you need to. And they're labeled. So the red is the outlet hose, and then the inlet is the one without a mark. So the inlet water hose is going to attach to the top little diverter. I'm gonna cut it about right here. And you do want to push the little hose on there pretty tightly, about 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch in. This is going on pretty easily, although they say you can use a little bit of water in the hose if it needs a little bit of help with sliding on. Alrighty, just gonna retighten this little piece. And then for my outlet water hose, we'll do the same thing here. Approximate about the same length. And this one will go on the bottom. Great. And then you want to check for leaks. So I'm just gonna switch the little diverter to on. Sweet. Okay, great. So the water you drink comes out of this spigot here, and then there's just a little wastewater valve that comes out here. So if you're having alkaline water, then it'll be acidic water coming out, or the non-filtered water coming out there. And then over on the machine, this is where we can start to move through all of our different options for alkalized water. So we have 4 different alkalinity options. So the initial drinking, they're starting you out at a lower pH. So they recommend that your initial drinking, you start with a only slightly alkaline pH, and then using the button, you can just cycle through the different levels for different purposes. It's also kind of cool, even the color of the little screen changes as we move. There's also the regular purified setting, which does not alkalize the water at all. And when you go from the purified or alkaline settings to the acidic settings, it actually starts beeping to just kind of alert you. So you're always sure that you're not gonna be accidentally drinking acidic water. So here we have the set button. So this is used to reset the internal count, where it's actually keeping track of how much water you've used. So when your filter is ready to be changed, the set button will actually light up, telling you that it's time to change your filter. And then you just hold the set button for 10 seconds to help it reset for that new filter. Another awesome function is the wash button. So there's an automatic washing cycle, and when that button illuminates, that's just letting you know that the next time you turn on the water filter, it'll go ahead and enter that wash session. So you can also trigger that automatic washing by hitting the wash button, and you can hear the little song that it plays letting you know that it's in the washing mode. And there you go. Now it is back and ready. All right, I want to thank you all so much for watching this video. I would love to hear your questions, your skepticisms down in the comments below. A big thank you to Air Water Life for sponsoring this video. I absolutely love this machine, and I hope that you will give it a try if you are interested in all of those awesome antioxidant and health benefits. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
We at Wellness Plus specialize in all things health and wellness, ranging from yoga and fitness to massage and ASMR. Whether you are looking to target specific areas of tension or want to enhance your general self-care routine, we provide the tools you need to feel better, look better, and live better. We have courses for every level, whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro. Our courses provide a wide range in difficulty to accommodate your evolving flow.
Welcome back to Yoga with Jess. We are going to break down some really essential postures.
We are going to rock out with some of the most essential ab exercises that you need to have the abs that you've always dreamed of.
I've blended techniques to help you connect with students, and you can be a rock star teacher.
Wellness Plus is available on Amazon, which you can stream from your home on your phone, tablet, or TV. Join Wellness Plus today and get your first 7 days free.